gonna put on a baby massager because I'm already good.
Sakit.
Sabang mo?
Ayan, okay yan.
Ganun. Yung turo ko sa'yo, anak, gawin mo. Yan. More. Yung bum niya.
Dad, let success know.
Doon lang sa likod. Doon sa may back lang ni Daddy. Yan.
Soft love. Para akong nag-training.
Hard ba yung back niya, anak? Hard?
No, it's good. It's
Soft?
so soft. But his bones are hard. So freaking hard. It's like hard as hard
Hard?
as the bricks.
Oh.
Hard as the bricks outside. Made of this house.
Tell your client if it's good or not.
Daddy,
Ask,
Huwag dyan, sa
Is it
taas,
good?
sa taas.
is it good?
ask him
Yeah.
what is the pressure.
What's the pressure?
Medium?
Medium
Hard?
lang, not
Or
that hard.
Ask him if it's just medium or hard.
Medium only, not
Is
that.
it just hard?
That's
medium?
hard. Medium
Hard
lang.
daw. So it means to say make it
Yan,
lighter.
ganyan.
Yan.
Daming reward ito pag ano.
Thank you, Daddy.
Ha?
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you agad.
On mo ako ng massaging training class sa Melbourne. Kids training. Pag galing ako.
Galing ikaw.
Teacher lang ako sa class.
Okay.
Pag grown up ako.
Good job pa. Ang galing ah. I-enroll kita sa massage training sa Melbourne.
Do you want the head to be massaged?
No, anak.
I'll do
No.
the throat because it's aching.
Yeah.
Go on your lie on your back.
Ay, no, don't. May mga lymph nodes yan. Yung back lang niya. Back lang. Yan. Yung turo ko sa'yo, do it. Yan. Di ba I'm your trainer? Right?
Yeah, because you're like the boss.
I'm like the boss. And Dad,